Hi, my name is Ian Wang. I am at Yoyoplay, and I'm a sponsored member of Team Yoyo Friends. And now we're doing an unboxing of the Yoyo Friends Hummingbird. So the Hummingbird is one of the highest end, most premium BiMetal you can find on the market right now. As you can see, when you open the box, you can see it's wrapped by a foam. And then this particular one is orange to purple fade. And then as you can see here, it's really nice looking. This is made out of a BiMetal yo-yo, and the aluminum body is used of a 7068 aluminum, which is even tougher than the normal 6061 aluminum, and also 7075. It has stainless steel rim, and you can see the logo Hummingbird on it. Also comes in the box. There's a package that contains a string that is pre-knocked, and also you can see it comes with two extra axles for you. If your axle strips or anything, you can replace them. So yeah, this is unboxing on the Hummingbird. So here I have a Hummingbird here. So now we're gonna do a performance review of the Hummingbird. The Hummingbird is, first of all, really high-end BiMetal yo-yo. So first of all, this is really powerful and really light. So when we built this yo-yo, we thought of utilizing the 7068 aluminum, so we can have one of the thinnest walls possible, and also have the most extreme weight distribution for competition play. And to counteract that, we made the yo-yo very light, so the extreme weight distribution doesn't affect the play at all. So at the end, this yo-yo is very stable, very powerful, but also very light and then very fast. It's okay. So yeah, this is the Hummingbird. This is made by Yoyo Friends, and we bend our yo-yo a lot, so every single yo-yo will come in smooth, and then it will come in 100% play ready. And this will also be really great for competition. You can get this yo-yo at Yoyoplay, and also there will be a link in the description below directly to the website for you to buy them. Thank you.